Hello, parents of Year 12 students in Australia. Did your child just miss out on getting into medicine? Please don't worry. Our 6-year MD program still has seats available for your child. Here's how it works. They'll start their studies at Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences in New York, a college ranked #1 for return on investment in the state. Then, they'll get hands-on clinical training through rotations at 56 partner teaching hospitals across the USA. In just 6 years, they'll earn a Bachelor of Science in Biology and an MD degree, the exact same qualification as US doctors. And yes, this degree is fully recognized back home in Australia. We even have scholarships of up to $110,000 available. We provide full support, from admissions and interview prep to visa help and pre-departure orientation. If your child has an ATAR of 90 or higher, contact us today to secure their spot and start their international medical career.